Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing how to create your own Flash token on ERC20 and TRC20 networks. I will be creating USDT ERC20 as an example. To start we need 0.12 each and another about $15 in ETH for gas payment. With these investments we will have 70k Flash USDT. Let's move on to the process. Tab and select wallet connect. Connect our wallet. It is best to use MetaMask because there will be no problems with it. Then we go down to the bottom. In the line token name we write the name of our token. In my case it is USDT. In the token symbol line we write the name of the network. In my case it is ERC20. If you need TRC just write TRC20. Then press transact. We get a window like this. Here we round the specified number to a larger integer. Because when you do not do this there is an error. Because while you specified here, gas ETH rate has already increased. Okay. Waiting for transaction confirmation. After the confirmation we have our contract on the left. Copy it and go to Etherscan. I will check it in front of you to make sure it is not a scam. So everything is loaded, we can see our contract. Now we're going to refill it. Go to our wallet and properly name it at least 0.12 ETH. Confirm the transaction and wait. Go back to Remix and see that our balance is displayed. Click on Start. Also round this value and confirm the transaction. With this action we are crafting our tokens. Now we wait for the confirmation. After confirmation we click on withdrawal to withdraw our tokens. We do the same and wait for transaction confirmation. Now log into our wallet and in a couple of minutes we should have tokens on our wallet.